What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Fever on acoustic guitar. I think this is a pretty cool version. So we're in standard tuning. And we got an A minor. A minor, 1, 2, 3. We got a C major. 1, 2, 3. We got an E minor. 1, 2. And then we got some different things, little tricksing. I'll show you, but the feel is so A minor to C, back to A minor, and then E minor, and grab the G note like that. A minor, C, A minor, E, G. And the strumming, we want to get that up. So strum, hit, hit, strum. Every third time we want to go up like that. So I'm grabbing A minor to C, then I'm doing kind of single notes, 5th fret A string, 6th fret A string, and then playing a full E here. That's 7, 9, 9 to 5, 7, 7, and then 3, 5, 5. Alright, let's go up. There it is. Fever. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe. See you soon.